Hello everyone. Today I am going to start second chapter of organic chemistry, that is alcohol, phenols and ethers. So in this first we'll study the classification of alcohols with the help of in-text questions 11.1 and 11.2. So first classification is primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. The question is classify the following as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. So starting with the question number first, you can see here. So if we see the carbon with which functional group is attached, then this is the part, this is the carbon number 1, this is the carbon number 1 with which OH group is attached. Now we'll check how many carbon atoms are attached with the alpha carbon or the carbon with which functional group is attached. So with the CS2OH part, only one carbon is attached, this one, that is carbon number 2. So this is our primary alcohol or 1 degree. Means if only one carbon is attached with the alpha carbon or carbon with which functional group is attached, then it is known as primary alcohol. If two carbons are attached, then secondary, and if three are attached, then tertiary. So this is primary alcohol. Now next question is, if we see in this one, this is our CS2OH part, the carbon with which OH is attached, and only one carbon is attached with this carbon atom. So this one is also 1 degree alcohol. Now if we come to third part, you can see this is our CS2OH and only one carbon is attached. So this is also 1 degree. Now we come to fourth, you can see that the carbon, alpha carbon with which two functional group is attached, this is our alpha carbon, and with this alpha carbon two carbons are attached. One is this CH3 unit and then one is aromatic carbon of benzene ring, this carbon. So total 2 carbons, so this is 2 degree alcohol. Now if we come to question number 5, you can see this carbon is alpha carbon, this is our alpha carbon or the carbon with which functional group is attached. And how many carbons are attached with this carbon? 2 carbons are attached, one CH3 here and one CH2 here. Total 2 carbons are there. So this is 2 degree alcohol. This one is 2 degree or secondary alcohol. Now we come to 6. You can see how many carbons are attached? 3. 1 and then 2 and then 3. So this one is our 3 degree alcohol or tertiary alcohol. So these were the classification of alcohols as primary, secondary and tertiary. Now next 11.2 question is identify allylic alcohols in the above examples. So very simple and general rules are there. You have to see this format in the molecule. sp2 hybridized carbon, then sp3 hybridized carbon, and then there should be OH group. If this arrangement is there in any molecule, then this will be allylic alcohol. If this sp2 hybridized carbon atom is of benzene, then it is called benzylic alcohol. So now we will check that how many allylic alcohols are there in these 6 questions. So starting with the second question, you can check here. Okay, we will see first. No carbon is sp2 hybridized, so this cannot be allylic. Now in second, this one is sp2. sp2, you can see here, this one sp2, then here this is sp3, and then OH group is there. So it is following that pattern, sp2 hybridized carbon with that carbon sp3 hybridized carbon, then OH. So it is allylic alcohol. So this one is allylic alcohol. Now if we come to third, no carbon is sp2 hybridized, not allylic alcohol. This is benzylic alcohol, not allylic. Now fifth one, no carbon, one carbon is sp2 hybridized, but that is of benzene ring. So and here not following the sequence, this is sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring, then sp3, then sp3 and then OH. But what should be the sequence? sp2, sp3, then OH. So this is also not allylic. Now we come to sixth part. Sixth part, you can see sp2, sp2, sp3 and then OH. Means it is following this sequence: sp2 hybridized carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and then functional group. So this is our allylic alcohol. Hope you have understood this classification. In the next video, we'll come with another topic. Thank you.